Something really big and important just happened today, and I want to make sure you all know about it. Basically, President Biden just announced the names of the 10 drugs that Medicare is going to be negotiating drug prices on. This is the first 10 drugs of what will hopefully be many going forward. It's all happening because of the bill that Democrats passed, the Inflation Reduction Act, which we think of as being a climate bill, but also, of course, had a huge section that was all about lowering healthcare and drug prices. And when I tell you that this drug pricing reduction thing is a seismic shift, it is a huge deal. Democrats have been trying to get it done for like 30 years, specifically 33 years. I just looked it up. And to really understand what a big deal this is, you have to consider how much Big Pharma spent trying to block this bill from being passed. $400 million. And they're not done. Every single large pharmaceutical company is suing to stop this. But I don't want to focus on that right now. I want to say this. Up to 9 million Americans stand to benefit just from this first round of price reductions. It's going to save them a ton of money. Just as a for instance, the average out-of-pocket cost for one of the drugs on this list is $6,400 a year. That's an absurd amount of money. And it's about to decrease drastically. And this is what I love, is seeing lives change for the better as the result of policy. And this is really what the Biden administration does best. It's these things that are not sexy, they're hard to talk about on TikTok, but they are meaningfully changing people's lives for the better. Let's pay attention to that. It matters. We can't take things like this for granted. This hasn't happened in 33 years. It would never happen under a Republican president. And in fact, one last friendly reminder, every single Republican in Congress voted against this bill. Tell your friends.